Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today my friend and I will present our discussion about the reason why Indonesian rupiah has weakened against US dollar. So first thing first, let me introduce myself. My name is Zidan Saputra, and let's get into the second slide. So the title is US dollar has become stronger. According to economic experts or reports, the strengthening of the US dollar has become one of the most important phenomena in the global economy these days. In recent years, many currencies have weakened against the dollar, making economic experts start to worry about this, especially investors or governments of other countries such as Indonesia with their rupiah currency. It is because the strengthening of the dollar influences prices, imports, investments, and the purchasing power of society or community. From this presentation, we will discuss about the reasons of dollar that become more powerful and why rupiah has weakened against dollar. Also, we will discuss about the impact to society and citizen of Indonesia. Let's get into third slide. Rupiah currency has weakened against the US dollar. According to the reports of IDN Financials, Indonesian rupiah continue to weaken against the US dollar, even touching its lower point to 17,800 rupiah per US dollar. It means that Indonesia needs more rupiah count of money to buy stuff that using dollar currency compared to previous years. The weakening of the rupiah reflects economic pressure caused by both international and domestic factors. As the dollar becomes stronger, rupiah currency lost its values, making investors lose their interest to invest in rupiah, and also it makes the imported products and international transactions become more expensive for Indonesian citizens and businesses. Let's move to my friends that will explain the next section.
Hello my friends, I am Mustafa Muhammad Abdurrahman and I am here going to explain my subtopic. Continuing my friend's explanation, now the topic is about the mechanism on how the strengthening of the US dollars weakens rupiah. So let's say there's a scenario where interest rate in US is higher, which means many people want dollars, which means the value of dollars is high. There's so many people across the world want dollars, so they eager to spend the money in their local currency as much as this. Higher price to get this, that's fine, but now then they only spend this to buy single dollars, but now they need a higher price to buy dollars. So this one's valuable, this one, the other currency including rupiah, less valuable. So this one is stronger in value, this one is weaker in value. That's how the mechanism of the weakening of rupiah work. Now let's see its impact. Let's see the impact of rupiah depreciation. Now rupiah's value is lower than dollars, which means it can make the imported product become more expensive. Now this one is more expensive. The mechanism is that back then, to buy this product, it costs $1, but now it's still same $1. But to get $1 to buy previous product, it now costs as much as this. Back then, it only cost as much as this. Now, the dollars is in higher price. So, I can say that to buy this, now we need cost as much as this. So this product is expensive, which make the other products this become expensive because this is the material to build this. This one hike in its price, so this one costs expensive too. The other products cost expensive too. All products become expensive too, and all thing, including living costs, become expensive too. So all above, I can say that all above, the global change can influence not only markets but also ordinary people like us. Thanks.